How do you install the Ring Sump Pump Monitor? The system includes a main unit, mounting cradle, and water sensor cord. Start by opening the Ring app on your mobile device and selecting Set up a device. Rotate the sensor case counterclockwise to open. You scan the QR code with your device's camera, and the app will guide you through activation. Pull the battery tab when prompted to power on the device. It will automatically update to the latest firmware. Following setup, proper case closure is essential for accurate water detection. Align the indicator line with the unlocked icon, and then rotate clockwise until the line is positioned below the locked icon. This ensures the internal and external water detection contacts are properly aligned. Next, attach the main unit to the cradle. Align the components and press firmly until you hear an audible click. That's your confirmation of a secure connection. You can also align the components and slide firmly until you feel the snap, as this option doesn't make an audible click. Verify that the main unit is secured on the cradle by holding the assembled unit upside down. The main point should remain firmly attached to the cradle and must not slide out. Next, connect the sensor cord to the cradle and perform a test for water detection, placing the end of the detection cord on a shallow plate of water. The alarm will sound for 5 seconds at 25-second intervals for up to 1 minute. Confirm that you receive an alert notification in the Ring app and then dismiss it. Quick pro tip: the cord is now wet, so to be able to test it one more time, the cord and unit need to be thoroughly dried. Once both are thoroughly dried, you can repeat the test to confirm consistent operation. Dismiss the second alert in the app, and now you're all set.